Excuse me, everybody, but I'd like your attention, please. I'd like to draw your attention to a subject that's very important that this next song deals with. It's about the fat kids in Springfield, led by our Governor George Ryan, who's sucking money out of the pockets of the poor by overcharging us for our booze. This is a subject that's very important to all of us. We all spent a lot of money we didn't need to spend. So when I say I've got to get more beer in this next song, it's a metaphor for we must get George Ryan out of office, which I think I also mentioned that in the song as well. But the main part is that we're all spending way too much money, people. They're rich already. We're feeding them. It's not right. So I want you all to sing along. And when I say I gotta get more beer, that means you have to get more beer too. So you say I got to get more beer. All right?
To make the whole world drink. boys doing here?
You know why we come here, old man?
Well,
Come for your moonshine.
Well, you better stay out of my stills.
Don't you tell us our business now.
Well, I don't want no trouble. I'm just fixing my here tractor.
I think you just asked for it.
Oh, great God, holy
You're
God.
gonna look pretty funny eating corn
No.
with no fucking teeth.
Oh, my God. Oh,
Hit him again, Red.
no.
Let me get a shot on this.
Get in there, boy.